We just wanted to talk about a fantastic ingredient for making soils that we think everyone should know about. We just absolutely love it.
It's Charlie charcoal, and this is exactly what it looks like. It's very fine. We screen it before we use it in our soil mixes, and it's basically biochar. And if you don't know what biochar is, it's a very special type of charcoal, and it's made in controlled conditions at a high temperature for a very, very long period of time. And the carbon is captured rather than released into the atmosphere. So it's about 98% pure carbon.
And it's what that means is that it acts like compost once it gets in the soil. Compost that doesn't break down. So it holds nutrients, holds water, and makes habitat for microbes.
Absolutely. And the other unusual thing about this particular type of biochar is it has a very low pH, and a lot of biochars are on the higher end of the pH scale. So the advantage is for much of Perth that already has got high alkaline soils is this will help pull down and stabilise the pH.
And we actually use it in most of our soil mixes. So we actually use it in some of the potting mixes and the blueberry mixes so that it actually adjusts, so we can use it to control the pH of the soil. So if we're looking for something around 6.4 or even 5.5, we can use the biochar to help modify that.
Absolutely. And the other benefits are, it has, as Paul said, holds onto nutrients in the soil. We've had some really good results with it, and so have many of our customers. They've shown us photos of the befores and afters, and it's really quite amazing. And people who have trialled it have come back to buy more. So come and give it a go, because we think you'll love it too.
Especially if you're getting a new lawn put in. This will be long lasting and give you a good healthy lawn for many years, not just one or two, like many of the applications of lawn mixes that you get, but this will last for a very long time.
Because as we said, this carbon is very, very stable and is going to last literally for thousands of years in the soil. So it's definitely something you only have to add once to your soil.
So come in and have a talk to us about it and we can show you.
Absolutely. Try Charlie charcoal yourself.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.